Hi my friends and welcome to a very special video. As you may have guessed from the title, today is the day that Abby is arriving in Switzerland. She's here to visit me and I'm so excited. I was checking her flight all day long. I just followed it on the flight radar and I check it every 10 minutes to see where she is, how long does it take, how far away is she. And now we are going to pick her up, so I'm just going to prepare some little things and in 10 minutes we are on the way. So I thought I'll show what I prepared. Now, for one thing, we got new bed sheets, new blanket, new pillows, new bed sheet. She loves Harry Potter, so I got her this Harry Potter chibi pajama and a really nice bathrobe so she can have it really cozy. And I cleaned all my room. Well, technically we cleaned the whole apartment. Me and my dad were just cleaning all week last week and preparing, and as you can see I'm not really good at the moment with my wrist, so I can't do too much, but we were just cleaning and preparing, and I even made space here in my closet, which I can here I got these two drawers out on, which are completely empty now because all my stuff is up here. So we will make sure Abby's well. We got new towels and everything. We got a rice cooker because we didn't have one, but I know it's important for Abby, so we got that as well. And now we are on the way to pick her up.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays.
So here we are then on the way home with Dad. He's driving us. Abby was on trial for like 30 hours, so she's really down. And yeah, this will be the end of the video. I have to care for Abby for the love of my life, make sure she's well and fine. So if you want to see what we're up to, click like, follow, subscribe and check the next video. Thank you for watching.
Every day